Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I came with new video. But don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So today we are going to learn chair words. So first word is chain. Chair, chair. Chips. Chat. Chin. Cheeks. Cherry. Thanks for watching.